YouTube for real estate agents. If you're not currently using YouTube for your real estate business, you are missing out big time. You're also missing out on incredible opportunities for endless lead generation. In this video, I want to show you not just the importance of YouTube, but I'm going to show you step by step a full tutorial of exactly how to use YouTube to generate leads and scale your real estate business.
I keep pushing, got my head to the sky, wondering if I ever make it there. Yeah, I keep pushing, gotta play the hand I'm dealt because I understand life ain't fair. Hey, so I push and I grind and I push and I grind.
What's up, everybody? My name is Mike Sherrard. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you love learning tips, tricks, and strategies on how to scale your real estate business the modern way, please subscribe, lightly tap that notification bell. And if you do get value from this, which I guarantee you're going to, please just give it a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you did learn or if there's any questions you have about what I'm about to show you. So as mentioned, I'm going to show you a full screen recording step-by-step tutorial about how to properly use YouTube for real estate agents. What realtors don't quite understand is that trying to rank for certain keyword search terms on Google is expensive, but I outrank agents that are spending thousands of dollars a month on Google AdWords for free with YouTube videos for the same search term. It's so powerful, it grows over time. Unlike Instagram where you make a post today and it's dead in 2 weeks, YouTube grows over time. It's evergreen content and it's an incredible way to rank in your city. We've worked with an agent that did $250K in his first year as a realtor. 90% of those 50 deals came from YouTube. It's so powerful, it's so underutilized that it's incredibly easy to stand out in your own market. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'll show you exactly how you can properly leverage YouTube for your real estate business. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to start crushing it with your own YouTube channel. Alright guys, so let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to be looking this way because my screen's over here. I know you are there, so I apologize for that in advance. But let's get straight into it. You need to understand the power of this platform. It's so underutilized, but here's the problem, is so many people are just uploading a video thinking it's going to do something for them. The difference between YouTube and other social media platforms is the fact that Instagram's easy, Facebook's easy. You can just toss a couple hashtags. It's really easy to use. But with YouTube, there's a science behind it. So what I need you to understand is that you need to watch every step I'm about to show you, because if you don't do all of these, you're not going to get next to any results. And I want you to crush it. So I want you to start doing well with YouTube videos. I want you to start generating leads. I just got a call today about 6 hours ago from a lady in Beverly Hills who was watching my YouTube content and wants to sell her investment property with me in Calgary. It's so powerful. It's so underutilized. It's so underestimated. So let's get straight to it. So you can see here that we are on YouTube. Now, one thing that I want to show you is why you should trust me. And again, I want to just give you a bit of, proof of the pudding here. You can see here, I'm now growing at 660 subscribers per 28 days. Now that's faster than most channels that have 50,000 subscribers, and I've only got 3,250. So what I'm doing is working. I just wanted to prove to you that what I'm about to show you does work. It's not just theory, and this is really helping me grow my channel. So let's get straight into it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull up one of my YouTube videos and I'll show you step by step exactly what you need to do. So we'll just pull up one of my videos like this one, how to get your real estate license in Canada. Okay, so what I want to go through with you are the 4 things that you need to know. You need to dial in these 4 things in order to start to do well on YouTube as a real estate agent. It's not that difficult, but as mentioned, it's a science and you need to make sure all 4 are working together in synchronicity, because if you miss any one of these, your video is going to flop. So let's start with the title, okay? How to get your real estate license and become a real estate agent in Canada. Why did I write it like that? Your title is one of the most important aspects for getting ranked on the YouTube algorithm. If you don't know, the most important thing is watch time, but you need to get people to your video first. The title is so key. Think about it this way. YouTube is a search algorithm, similar to Google. So the way you need to think about YouTube is, what would somebody be typing into the YouTube search in order to find your video and your video be the perfect value add to that person? So looking at my title, how to get your real estate license, somebody might be searching that. How to become a real estate agent, somebody might be searching that in Canada. So how to get your real estate license in Canada, how to become a real estate agent in Canada. You can see that with this one simple title, I have now encompassed so many different ways that people could be searching for this video and this to be the right video for them to find. So when you're writing your titles, you need to put your thoughts in the consumer's perspective. And that's what comes with looking at it from a search optimization angle, an SEO angle. So you can see here, the title is so important. You need to think about it in a different way and not just say how to become an agent. You need to look at what people would actually be searching. So the title is increasingly important. The next thing is a description, okay? So let's look at the description here. Now this is an older one, but you can see, are you interested in becoming a licensed real estate agent? This is how to get your real estate license and become a realtor in Canada. I take you through a simple step-by-step process you need to follow in order to properly become a licensed agent in a Canadian province. And then you can see here that the hashtags that I've used are Canada, Realtor, real estate agent. So if anybody's searching for anything that has a combination of realtor, real estate agent, and Canada, my video is going to show up, okay? And also looking at this sentence here, becoming a licensed real estate agent, how to get your real estate license, how to become a realtor in Canada added on the end of all of those. So it's so powerful to look at what you're writing and think, what would people be typing? And you need to make sure that your keywords are both in your title as well as in your description. They all need to be working in congruence with one another in order to get the best results for your video. So those are super important. And again, not many people are taking into account why you need to do that. But a lot of people are just writing one sentence. It doesn't have anything to do with their title. And that's why they're wondering why they only get 13 views on their video. Okay. Now the next thing, and this is the hardest thing with YouTube, is the tags. The most important thing, the hardest thing, you need to make sure that your tags are dialed in. So let's go ahead and look at my tags. Now, I'm using something called vidIQ, and vidIQ is giving me all this data showing me that, my optimization checklist, how well I'm doing. It's showing me all these numbers beside tags, which means, you've got your keyword volume, your competition score. So I use tags that rank high for real estate, and it's super powerful. But if you want to use vidIQ, I highly recommend it. I'll include a link in the description. So if you click on that, you can go straight to vidIQ and it'll make it easy for you. So you make sure you find the right place. And then what I'm going to do after this video is I'll show you one related to real estate in general. Okay, so a video that you would be putting out there for buyers and sellers. So just hold on a second. I'll get to that. I'll show you an exact example, but I just want to go through this first. Look at the tags. So when it shows up blue, that means I'm ranking #1 in the world for this search term. So Calgary real estate agent, how to become a realtor in Quebec, BC, Ontario, how to get into real estate. You can see real estate license, how to become a realtor, become a realtor. So let me break down tags for a second. Again, these are all things that people would be searching for in order for your video to show up. So my video is about how to become a licensed real estate agent. So you can see here with the tags, how to become a realtor, how to become a real estate agent, because people use those two words interchangeably, realtor and real estate agent. Canada, you've got real estate license, become a realtor, how to get your real estate license. So you can see that sometimes you're repetitive, but they're different search terms, and that's completely okay. You can see here how to get into real estate. And then I used it for different provinces because they're all within Canada and these are the biggest markets. So that's why this video did so well. Now I'm going to show you an example again on a local video that's primarily going to be geared towards what you would be putting out, but I just wanted you to see the importance of this. Now, if you do want to know the exact secret to how to find the best tags, I'll include a link in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment where you can join our Social Syndicate Mastermind for just $1 for the first month. And we are going to give away, my buddy Connor and I, who has one of the biggest YouTube channels in real estate, we're going to be giving away all of our secret tips on how we've monetized our YouTube channels, how we've been able to scale it so quickly, how we've been able to generate a ton of leads from it. We are going to be sharing all of that for you with just $1 worth of investment. So click the link in the description as well as the pinned comment. It's going to be insane value resource. This is stuff we've paid thousands of dollars for, and it's only going to be costing you $1. So check that out. Now, the next component, so we've got our title, we've got our description, we've got our tags. The next part is the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and look at the thumbnail again on this video. You can see here in big, bold letters, how to get your real estate license in Canada. And then you see me here dressed professionally like a real estate agent. Similar to these tags here, how to use TikTok for business, why people hate realtors, social media for realtors. This is an incredible video that describes everything you need to do in order to scale your real estate business on social media. Special ad category. You can see instantly by looking at any of my tags, first off, they stand out. Second off, there's text, but not too much. The text is also big and bold. And also, you want to make sure that it aligns with what you're talking about in the video. We don't have the followings to do all this clickbait stuff, so don't bother with doing it. So you want to make sure that everything's incongruent. And now what I want to do is I want to show you a video that relates to your market, okay? Okay, so this is a video here, Calgary Real Estate, why most homes are not selling in 2019. This is a video I made back last year, April 25th. You can see it's got, over 1,000 views. I didn't put too much effort into putting in local real estate content last year because I was helping other real estate agents scale their business with social media. But let's take a look at this one and break it down for you. Look again, the title, Calgary Real Estate, oftentimes search, Calgary Homes, not selling, 2019. Looking at the description, Calgary real estate market, okay, struggling to sell. Now let's look at the tags. You can see here all the ones that I'm ranking for. Calgary Realtor, Calgary Homes, Calgary Realtors, Calgary Real Estate Agent, Calgary Real Estate. I'm ranking for all of those. And again, when you take a look at the thumbnail, you're going to see how it stands out and how it's something that most people would want to see when they're looking at this type of content. So you can see here, big, bold. It's got the skyline in the background. It's got a professional headshot. It's got Calgary Real Estate in big, bold letters. And then it's got trouble selling. So ultimately, guys, those are the 4 things that you need to know in order to start doing well on YouTube. You need to understand how to properly align your titles, your descriptions, your tags, and then grab attention with your thumbnail. If you want, again, to learn how to absolutely dominate on YouTube and start to generate a ton of leads, again, for just $1, click the link in the description as well as a pinned comment. Check out our social syndicate for just $1 for the first month, and then I guarantee you're going to see some incredible results. So if you have any questions about YouTube, also if you want to see the top 6 videos you should be creating on YouTube, click the card above and I'll show you the exact videos that you need to be creating in order to generate leads for your business. Otherwise, if you do have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.